What swims beneath the waves terrifies us still.
Beneath the waves terrifies us still.
But ancient seas held monsters far greater than legends. We rank 5 tiers of these Mesozoic leviathans. Our journey begins with Tier 5, the swift hunters. Ichthyosaurs evolved for incredible oceanic pursuit. Their dolphin-like bodies maximized speed for open water. They were masters of the visual hunt, focused on swift prey. And now that we understand Tier 5, let's explore Tier 4. Tier 4 belongs to the long-necked Elasmosaurus lineage. Their disproportionate neck length offered a unique ambush strategy. They specialized in precision strikes, not brute force confrontation. Their teeth were sharp, perfect for gripping slippery, smaller targets. Tier 3 introduces the heavily armored, mid-sized predators. These reptiles, like Ichthyosaurs, thrived in coastal and shallow regions. They weren't purely pelagic, they could haul themselves onto land if needed. This amphibious capability gave them an ecological edge in their niches. But true oceanic dominance required bulk and power. Tier 2 features the massive, crocodile-like Thalattosaurians. These creatures were built for navigating diverse, complex near-shore ecosystems. Their jaws possessed crushing strength, targeting shelled organisms. While formidable, they still operated below the apex predators. Now, we ascend to the undisputed sovereign of the deep, Tier 1. This tier is reserved for the colossal Pliosaurs. These reptiles combined immense size with unparalleled bite force. Their short necks and powerful flippers allowed high-speed ambush attacks. A Pliosaurian bite estimates exceed any modern terrestrial predator. They were the ocean's ultimate, undisputed apex hunters. And to truly appreciate this hierarchy, we examine bite mechanics. Comparing Ichthyosaur jaws to Pliosaur jaws reveals specialization. The crushing ability determined who ate whom at the highest levels. Tier 3 hunters focused on agile maneuvering around obstacles. Their morphology prioritized quick bursts over sustained, massive ramming force. The placement of their flippers dictated their role in the food web. These ancient ecosystems evolved over millions of years of competition. The rapid Ichthyosaurs mastered the blue water column efficiently. They preferred the upper photic zones, where light penetrated deeply. But their specialized tail fin delivered powerful propulsion forward. Tier 4's long neck required different energetic considerations. Supporting that long neck demanded unique muscular anchors. This structure limited the speed of the main body strike. They targeted fish swimming just out of reach of larger hunters. Moving up the danger scale, we revisit Tier 2's coastal reliance. Thalattosaurians utilized powerful, broad flippers for maneuvering flats. Their tough hide offered defense against accidental impacts or scrapes. They were the generalists, thriving where specialization failed. But the vast, open ocean belonged to the ultimate predators. Tier 1 Pliosaurs commanded these vast blue voids. Their massive skulls were built for shearing large, struggling prey. But they were not built for endurance, but for decisive, short encounters. They routinely preyed on other large marine reptiles, even their equals. But this solidifies their top position in the marine trophic structure. But consider the vast gulf between Tier 5 and Tier 1 hunters. But each tier represents a distinct evolutionary solution to survival. These ancient oceans were arenas of specialized, powerful life forms. Now we study their remnants to decode oceanic history's true complexity. From age-old swimmers to the colossal crushing masters. The Tier 1 Pliosaur remains the benchmark for Mesozoic marine might. And every predator, regardless of tier, found its specific path to success. These rankings remind us that nature favors efficient specialization. The true rulers of the prehistoric seas have now been ranked.